Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Looks like HAL is taking the enhancement and the development of HTT40 turbo trainer more seriously after it was granted spin certification post performing 10 turn spins. Now, since the limited serial production is likely to begin by end of this year, HAL is trying to equip these trainer jets with relevant weapons and missiles. Even though Indian Air Force was never interested in a weaponized configuration of HTT-40, it looks like HAL has a totally different intention behind this. Yes, HAL is considering these trainer aircrafts for the export category where these variants can be used as a light attack aircraft. So what are the different missiles and weapons which can be attached with the weaponized HTT-40 variant? As per the different sources, it looks like these HTT-40 variants will have the ability to carry high-speed low-drag bombs and R-73 short-range air-to-air missiles. The high-speed low-drag bomb is a family of new generation short-range air-dropped precision-guided munitions that is currently being developed by Defense Research and Development Organization. This general purpose bomb is made for the Indian Air Force and can be used against the destruction of strategic high value enemy infrastructure from standoff distances. The R-73 is a short range air to air missile developed by Wimpel NPO, and it is said that these HTT-40 models of HAL will be able to carry two high speed low drag bombs and two R-73 missiles. Not only that, this weaponized variant of HTT-40 can also carry drop tanks. In order to make sure all this integration and weapon configuration goes as expected and planned, the relevant computer simulation and wind tunnel trials might be carried out in 2022 tentatively. So let's expect HAL finishes the planned activities and makes the HTT-40 ready in a weaponized variant for export purpose. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slide Info for more defense and aviation updates. Thank you.